Man, y'all, all-time record breaking, the fastest payout ever I've ever gotten, man. I'm talking about quick flash, leave you in a pass. Man, y'all, I'm talking about the track star Usain Bolt fast. I'm talking about another track star by the name of Noah Lyles fast. I gotta hit him with another one. I'm talking about the track star Shakira Richardson fast. Oh, I ain't done. I'm talking about NASCAR fast. Oh, no. I'm just getting started, y'all. I'm talking about the Dodge Hellcat fast. The one that got that whine. Yeah. All right, I know. Last but not least, I'm talking about when you around a whole bunch of people and you right there on the side, like where people racing their cars and stuff, and it just go, yeah. I'm talking about that fast, like this.
Whoa, it doesn't get any better than that.
Man, y'all. So, if you guys didn't know, we got a payout request yesterday. All right, yes, sir. I'm happy, I'm excited, man. I'm thankful and I'm grateful. I'm gonna set my little win and put my head right back into it and keep going. So we had a payout request yesterday. We had 5 days of $100 on my Funded Futures Starter Plus account. The account brought us to $519, and I was able to request that full amount. I could have let it get to the buffer. I could have got more money, but my experience is take the payout when it comes, man. I've learned my lesson. The last time I had a payout, I didn't take it. I had a payout last year. I think it was a year and a half ago, or last year was one of them. I had a payout from 2 funded accounts from Top Step, $500. It would have been $1,000 total payout. I didn't take it, and guess what? I ended up blowing it later in the week. So I've learned I'm taking my money. I'm taking my money and I'm running. So guys, check this out, man. So it was my first time signing up with my Funded Futures, putting my bank account and all that stuff with them. I said, all right, this is probably gonna take about 1 or 2 days, because it was like that with Top Step. But I've been hearing people saying that they've been getting record-breaking time payouts with my Funded Futures. I'm interested in seeing how fast this is going to be. Plus, I got to sign up with my bank, and I had to sign the W-9 form. I'm like, this is finna take a while. This ain't gonna be no record-breaking time. So I ended up putting in my payout, guys. And so I did I requested the full $519. As you guys can see, I'm getting ready to show you on the phone right quick. As you guys can see, this was the payout request that we did last night at 10 p.m. y'all. 10 p.m. Remember this, man. It finalized and went through at 10 p.m. from what I remember. You guys see it. That's the account that we had. My Funded Future Starter Plus account, number ended in 47, $419. See the same account up there, 47, and now it brought the account back to $50,100. So after I requested at $519, I had to leave $100 in there. That's just how they do it. So now this account, I did a full request. So the only amount that I have left in this account is that $100. I'm going to trade that, and if I can get another payout with it, I will. So we're going to try, man. I'm going to take like $50 trades and see how this work out. But you guys see, payout request. It been processed last night, 10 p.m. That's where the account is now. So I put in all my information and stuff, and as I keep putting in my information, I keep clicking the update status. So I'm like, okay, I'm just counting down. All right. So it finalized at 10 p.m., y'all. 10 p.m. it finalized, man. So I'm like, okay, update, sent everything. All right, I'll come back and check. Y'all tell me why. I'm like, let me just randomly check, man, just to make sure. So I go to my mobile banking app. I'm like, let me check just to randomly see if it's there. There's no way that this money is there. Everybody keep talking about my Funded Futures having record-breaking times of getting your payout. I'm like, I'm gonna just go check. So I go to my mobile banking app, y'all. I go to the checking account. Y'all, I looked at the time. 5 minutes. 5 minutes. The money is already there. I said, dang, that was quick, man. I'm like, yo, this is faster than anybody I've ever known, man. I don't know about Take Profit Trader yet. I can officially say my funded futures gave me a record-breaking time of payout. Because Top Step wasn't that fast. My funded futures is the GOAT right now. Like, that was quick. I'm like, what? This is impossible, man. Goated for real. So, the $419 is in my bank right now. And guys, we get ready to go to the bank right now and go get it. So I'm not going to go inside. I'm going to go to the ATM. The ATM does not let me draw out $419. So we're going to draw out $420 from the ATM, man. And you guys going to get to see me do it live. So yeah, man, we get ready to go to the bank and get out our payout, baby. That was done in 5 minutes. All right, y'all. So here we go. We're going to the ATM to pick up our payout. Here we go. All right, y'all. We just pulled up to the ATM, man. Get my card out right quick. All right, man. All right. All right, y'all. We got the cash. Let me get my receipt. Whee! All right, y'all. I'll sit y'all right there. Man, look. Man. We did it again, man. Y'all see it? Just pulled it from the bank, y'all. Man. This just let me know, like, I'm on the right track, man. Let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, and 20. $420 payout, y'all. Don't tell me that you can't do it, because I'm working a 9 to 5. I do a second job doing Spark, delivering people's groceries to their house. And I day trade, and I'm like trying to do some other stuff to make money. So you can't tell me that, man, I got too much going on, man, I can't do it. Man, I've been dealing with a lot, and I'm still able to, y'all, man. I just want to give somebody hope. I just want to let somebody know that you can do all things through Christ, which strengthens you, man. You got to believe, you got to be persistent, and you have to be consistent, man. Go after it. It ain't just going to happen out of thin air. You got to go after it, man. Man, I just want to give y'all hope that you can do this, man. Look, I'm doing it. I got a $420 payout, man, from prop firm trading. If I can do it, I know you can. Man, proof is in the pudding. So what my plan is, guys, I plan on taking taxes, tithes out of that. And then I plan on getting me I want to try a 50K Take Profit Trader account, man. So I'm going to do a 50K Take Profit Trader account. I'm going to do evals again, man. Those straight to funded, I said I wasn't, but I'm going to give it a try again, man. Those straight to funded accounts, man, I noticed, like the 25K account, that 25K straight to funded account, I have to make like $1,500 for a payout in order to get a payout. And that's like $216 or something like that. And I did the odds. Now, if I do a my funded futures again, like say for instance, I think it would be better. It's just the daggone eval stage, man. That's my only problem. But once I get funded, the rules are a little simpler, man. If I get a straight to funded account for $216, I have to make $1,500 in order to get a payout. But if I can get say for instance, this new My Funded Futures deal, they have a deal going on right now where I can get a core account. That's like the starter account. I could get that for like I could get that account right now for like $57. So I could get like 2 or 3 of those and then pass them and then do the same process again, man. Only have to get $100 for 5 days and I can request another payout or just see where I'm at when the 5th day comes, man. I could probably get more, I don't know. But with the straight to funded, I have to make $1,500 in order to get a payout. So it's like, that's if it's $216, that's like 3 or 4 times that amount with evals. It's like, I think I'd rather take my chance with 3 or 4 evals before straight to funded. Yes, I hate the process of the eval, but I'm looking at the bigger picture, man. It's like, I can possibly try 3 or 4 times and then get all those funded versus one funded. I'd rather just, I know I'm going against my word, y'all, but I'm going to give the eval stage a chance again, man. It just makes more sense to me, man. The eval stage I hate, but you know, I got to be smart about this. I'd rather do 3 or 4 evals and then try to pass all those rather than just getting a one straight to funded account, you know. I'd rather go with the eval stage. We reneging. We going over our own word. But hey, it's all good. And then I ain't telling her, but I do plan on taking her to a nice dinner and stuff. Whatever, we got a lot going on, you know what I'm saying, with her. I do plan on taking care of my wife, pampering her, taking her out to eat, you know what I'm saying, just to show that I'm there for her. You know, she needs to get out, you know what I'm saying. I think we both do, man. Just to get out, take a nice little dinner, man, show her that I love her and stuff, man. That's what I plan on doing, y'all, man. So, y'all, that's the video, man. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bang! Corey, the phone trader got coming out, y'all. Payout. If I can do it, you can do it, man. Put your mind to it. Never give up. Keep pushing. Keep pressing into your destiny and what God has for you, man. Man, never give up, y'all. If it seemed like you cannot make it, you keep pushing, just like the little engine that could, man. That nobody wanted to fool with, but when it was all said and done, he got over that hill, and everybody doubted him, but he ended up doing it, man. You know what I'm saying? So, I just want to inspire somebody. Y'all be blessed. Thank y'all for watching, man. Hopefully, y'all have a good rest of the day. Just showing y'all that I can do it, man. Peace, blessings, love y'all. Until next video, man. Love y'all. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Man, I holla. Peace out, baby. Deuces.